Introducing the OBDPEAK K60 Pro, the ultimate smart rearview mirror dashcam, designed for modern drivers who demand performance, clarity, and seamless connectivity. Powered by the latest Android 14 system, with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, the K60 Pro runs 70% faster than its predecessor. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to make calls, navigate, stream music, and use your favorite apps hands-free. But here's where it gets exciting. The 11.3-inch IPS touch display supports full-screen gesture control, just like your smartphone. Swipe left or right to switch apps, swipe up to go home, and swipe down to access the taskbar. Smart, fast, and intuitive. Equipped with dual 1080p cameras, this dashcam captures every moment on the road, front and rear. Whether you're driving or reversing, the footage is sharp, smooth, and reliable. Loop recording ensures your most recent footage is always saved. The built-in GPS provides real-time navigation, and with wireless mirroring via Airplay or Android Mirror, you can stream content from your phone directly to the K60's large screen, perfect for entertainment during breaks. Enjoy high-fidelity sound through Bluetooth, FM, or AUX output, and rest easy with OTA remote updates that keep your device fresh with the latest features. Whether it's navigation, safety, or multimedia, the K60 Pro transforms your driving experience. It's not just a dash cam, it's your car's new smart command center.